Hello, welcome to Airsoft Sweden. Today we're going to unbox a couple of weapons that I bought recently. And we're going to start with the CM.701, the upgraded version. Okay, let's open this up. In this package you get a speed loader, which is very useful if you doesn't already have one. And you get 2 spare springs, which is very useful also. And you get 1 magazine, but I guess you can just buy some more if you want. I think they're quite cheap. You also get some test BBs, but I recommend using your own BBs because I have heard these aren't very good. You also get some tools and a couple more spare parts. And now the weapon. This is an extremely powerful bolt action sniper, and I will not talk very much about this because I will make a separate video just for this Airsoft. So stay tuned for that. You also get this cleaning rod for the gun. Over to the next package, and this is the OPSL20 VICTOPTICS PAC 3 to 9x40. Let's open this up. And here it is. I bought this sight, of course, for this sniper, so let's put it on. This is how the scope looks on the gun, and you can actually zoom right on this little wheel. And I really recommend this scope, and I will put the link to it in the description. The next package is the R31 from Army Armament. So let's open this up. And in this package you get a small unnecessary papers, and you get this disassembly tool, 1 green gas magazine, and the gun, of course. I really like this gun, and I have played with it a lot of times, and yeah, it performs very good. Over to the next package. The next package is the CM.028C from Cyma. Let's open it up. In this package you get a plastic magazine, which I don't really like, but I guess it's fine because this gun is quite cheap. You also get a battery, an in-back battery for it, which is good for beginner players. And of course, you also get a charger for the battery. You also get a little sling for the gun, which is very useful, and again some test BBs, but don't use them. And now the gun. Damn. Here it is. And yeah, nothing much to say about it. It's a cool gun, and you get this handguard with it too. You also get a cleaning rod, of course. I just want to say that all of these products are from Taiwan Gun, and if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment and consider subscribing. Goodbye.